when you're beginning to edit your feature, you need to determine the scope of the edit. If you're editing a longer feature, you're going to have more time to tell the story. You're also going to have to make sure that you have enough footage to make that story. If you want to make a hour-long feature that has, cuts that change every couple of seconds, that's going to be a lot of footage that you're going to have to use. And there's going to be a lot of footage that you're not going to be able to use. That's going to be on the cutting room floor. So you have to make sure that you have enough footage to make that work. And then the same idea is that you might be making a shorter edit, and that's what people are expecting. So if they're expecting a 5-minute, 3-minute video, you shouldn't necessarily give them a 30-minute video. They're going to wonder why they don't have something shorter. So determine the scope of the edit, and then you'll be able to figure out, within the story structure, when I should put, like the bows. You'll begin to figure out where that should all go, because just because a video is 5 minutes long or 15 minutes long, the points where the peaks of the story happen should be relatively the same. So let's say halfway in, or maybe a little bit more in, that might be where you want your bows. So then you can kind of figure out, I have a certain portion of time to have the getting ready section. I have a certain portion of time for the bows. I have a certain portion of time for the cocktail hour or the dancing. So if you determine the scope, then you can figure out how long you have to actually spend on those sections of the wedding.